Welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to use the Helium 10 magnet tool to discover powerful keyword ideas for your Amazon listings and PPC campaigns. Start by opening the magnet tool from your Helium 10 dashboard. In the search bar, type a broad keyword related to your product. For example, let's try silicone bottles. Once you hit search, Magnet will generate hundreds of related keywords, pulled directly from real Amazon search data. Now, apply filters to narrow the results. Set a minimum search volume, for example, 500. Choose match type like broad, smart complete, or organic. Use advanced filters like word count or Magnet IQ score if needed. Browse through the list and sort by relevance, search volume, or Magnet IQ to find your top keyword opportunities. You can also export the keywords or add them directly to your keyword tracker inside Helium 10. This is a great way to uncover high traffic, low competition keywords, and improve your Amazon SEO strategy. Want to try Magnet with a special discount? Tap the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Amazon FBA tips and tools.